Okay, so now we see that the DevOps project has already been created, and my organization too, which is my organization, my AKS team org. And if I click here, this will take me to the DevOps project definition, the Azure portal, where we will see like the continuous integration, continuous deployment pipeline, where we have like the code and the build and how all of the continuous integration pipeline operations were configured. And if we go to project homepage, we click here, we will be shown with this dashboard. If we go to the pipelines, we will see that here we have the automatically generated build definition and the build actually run. We see the releases, and we see that it says this is in progress. So let's see, we click on release 1, it will take us to a page like this. We see that the Azure deployment is actually in progress, and we can click there to see the current step in which the release is at the moment. So we see that this release is actually creating the Azure Kubernetes service cluster in the Azure portal. So at some point we will be able to go to the Azure portal and see that newly created service. So we see that this is created. It's still being configured, and there are a lot of other steps that the release needs to execute after creating the cluster. So once all of these steps have been performed, we will continue with the video. Take care.